Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about pushes and pulls on the motion of an object.
Let's begin. Emma gently pushes a toy train with one finger. What happens to the toy train? And the correct answer is letter A. It moves a little. A child gives a toy truck a big push. What happens to the toy truck? And the correct answer is letter B. It goes very fast. Liam and Ava push the same toy bus. Liam uses a soft push, and Ava uses a hard push. Which push makes the toy bus travel farther? And the correct answer is letter B, hard push.
Toy cars move after different pushes. One moves slowly and one moves quickly. Which toy car was pushed harder? And the correct answer is letter A, the faster toy car. Sophia gently pulls a toy duck with a string. What happens to the toy duck? And the correct answer is letter B, it moves a little. A child pulls a toy wagon strongly with a string. What happens to the toy wagon? And the correct answer is letter A, it moves farther.
Two toy airplanes are pulled. One is pulled softly and one is pulled hard. Which pull makes the toy airplane move more? And the correct answer is letter B, hard pull. Charlotte pushes a ball toward the left side of the playground. Where does the ball go? And the correct answer is letter B, left. A child pushes a ball toward the right side. Where does the ball go? And the correct answer is letter A, right?
Amelia pushes a soccer ball straight ahead. Where does the ball move? And the correct answer is letter B, forward. A child pulls a toy puppy on wheels toward them. Where does the toy puppy move? And the correct answer is letter A, toward the child. Harper pushes a toy boat that is sitting still. What happens first? And the correct answer is letter B. The toy boat starts moving.
A child pulls a toy turtle using a string. What happens to the toy turtle? And the correct answer is letter B. It starts moving. Ella pushes against a rolling ball with both hands to stop it. What happens to the ball? And the correct answer is letter A. It stops. A hand is placed in front of a rolling toy car. What happens to the toy car? And the correct answer is letter B. It stops.
Grace rolls one toy car until it bumps another toy car. What happens to the second toy car? And the correct answer is letter A. It starts moving. Two toy cars roll toward each other and touch. What happens when they touch? And the correct answer is letter B. They push on each other. Samuel pushes the same toy truck softly and then very hard. What does the stronger push do? And the correct answer is Letter B. It makes the truck move farther.
The same toy truck is pushed very gently. What happens to the toy truck? And the correct answer is letter A. It moves only a little. Owen first pushes a toy car straight and then pushes it toward the side. What changes? And the correct answer is letter B. The direction changes. Lucas pushes a toy car up to the top of a playground slide. Then he gives the car a big push. Which way does the toy car move? And the correct answer is letter A, down the slide.
Leo holds the handle of a toy wagon and gives it a big pull. Which way does the toy wagon move? And the correct answer is letter A, toward Leo. Two pictures show a toy before and after a push. How can we tell what the toy did? And the correct answer is letter B, watch where the toy moved. William and Emily test the same toy car. William uses a soft push and Emily uses a hard push. How can they tell which push changed the motion more? And the correct answer is letter A, see which car went farther.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.